Here's how to stop Outlook from automatically deleting emails from your inbox. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select Mail. First, check your rules. Click on Rules in the left sidebar and review each rule carefully. If any rule is set to automatically delete or move emails to the Deleted Items folder, either modify it or delete the rule entirely. This is the most common cause of emails disappearing unexpectedly. If no rules are the issue, check your junk email settings. Click on Junk Email in the sidebar and review the filter level. If it is set to Strict, switch it to Standard so legitimate emails are not being aggressively filtered out. Also, scroll down and add trusted senders to your safe senders list so Outlook never treats their emails as junk. Click Save, and your inbox should now keep all incoming emails without automatically removing them. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.